State government pen Akimi Guardian Minister puthak non hejong notification kapangda. Assam along rialong non kachari bomb Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma Sarkar pen long ria lo kilang kachari Punjab Han a district tinalongta Akimi Guardian Minister State government pen appointment pajir pontanglo. Arnivang nang litumpen karbeng nong life abirta nang kilang dun do anara raphan ison kenang chora birta arjuik tha. Assam along rialong non kachari bomb Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma Sarkar pen long ria lo kilang kachari Punjab a district tinalongta Akimi Guardian mate Minister State government pen appointment pajir pontanglo. Tangte chini dam senang komat abangphusi konat district alongsi ar pudeng ponji bang so phutha karbeng nong life pen klar daga birta ke longdun ke lapuson henlo aprang silake atul bora alangli ke langar pu kipi pona dim lake Kamrup Metro Lapen, North Lakhimpur District, Adunthwa Bangphulake Ranjit Kumar Dasaphan, Bongaigaon, Dibrugarh Lapen, Tinsukia District Alongsi, Patang Ponlo. Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong, and part of the Mahasau District Kelangji Aphan, Arpuki Pipon Lake, Jogen Mohan Aphan Henlo Lapen, Pijus Hajarika Aphan, Arpuki Pipon Lake, Sonitpur, Biswana Lapen, Karimganj District Henlo. Keshav Manta Aphan, Kepek Pon Lake, Morigaon, Golaghat, South Salmara, Mankachar District, Parimal Suklabaida Aphan ke Patang Pon Lake, Nogang Pen Hojai District, Ajanta Niok Alang Lipan ke Pek Pon Lake, Jorhat Lapen, Nolbari District, Ranuchpego Aphan Lake, Sivasagar, Majuli Lapen, Borpeta District, Asok Singha Aphan Lake, Kokrajar Lapen, Golpara District along Henlo. Jayanta Malabora Aphan, Kachar, Dhubri Lapen, Hailakandi District, Chandramohan Patawari Aphan Lake, Kamrup Lapen, Darang District, Adunthu Bimal Bora Aphan Lake, Charaidio Lapen, Udalguri District, Nandita Gorlosa Aphan, Baksa Lapen, Bajali District, Urkhao Gwara Brahma Aphan Lake, Chirang Lapen, Tamulpur District along. Lason si Kijut si Kipiponthu Lake, Sanjay Kisan Aphan, Dhemaji District along Henlo. Karbi Anglong District when Bangpli MLA Haidundet Setame, Minister ang hoy kavidon derajo, nona phonga bangke, ang tangpen ke banga Minister atumsi, nang palipo. News Report, Karbi Anglong Live.